Hi, my name is Minnie Blackman. Today I will be discussing the psychological debate that questions whether social media sites make us social or antisocial. In this presentation, I'll focus on research that attempts to determine whether an individual's social level is caused by their presence on social media sites. The key terms within this debate are social media sites, social, and antisocial. So let's define these terms. Social media sites can be defined as online platforms in which users can create public profiles and interact with other users. These interactions can be through content, comments, or direct messages. The term social can be defined as when an individual desires to have interactions with other individuals, particularly as members of a group or a community. The term antisocial can be defined as when an individual opposes having interactions with other individuals. One side of this debate argues that social media sites make us social. They argue this because social media revolutionized communication. People are more knowledgeable, direct, and diversified as a whole because of social media sites. Social media allows people to meet others that they had otherwise never had the opportunity to, and social media sites allow for connections to be made and carried out in the real world through off-screen human interactions. Social media sites also allow connections with a array of acquaintances who can provide individuals with information they may not have previously had access to. Former President Barack Obama stated that social media is a really powerful tool for people of common interest to convene and to get to know each other and connect. Here I have outlined some studies whose results seem to reaffirm this side of the debate. Communication scholar Nicole Ellison established that Facebook usage positively relates to forming new connections, deepening existing connections, and maintaining connections with dispersed networks. Annabelle Kwan-Haas, Guang-Ying Mo, and Barry Wellman published a study that found that social media is one component of information communication technologies that encourage older individuals to obtain social support by arranging in-person visits, which mitigates the social isolation that can often accompany old age. Researchers have also found that social media usage does not determine levels of sociality. They have found that people who are more extroverted during in-person interactions are more likely to be more social on social media sites. Likewise, they found that people who are more introverted during in-person interactions are less likely to be social on social media sites. The other side of the debate argues that social media sites make us antisocial. They argue this because social media sites make people feel less inclined to take part in real-life human interactions. And while people feel like interactions made on social media sites can replace in-person socialization, even individuals with an abundance of followers are not truly bonding with others online. People are likely to spend time on social media sites rather than participating in off-screen activities, and social media sites also allow people to feel like they are part of social activities in the real world from the comfort of their screen, which can inhibit them from wanting to actually go into the real world for socialization purposes. Here I have outlined some studies whose results seem to reaffirm this side of the debate. Research published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine concluded that social media users interact less face-to-face because of their ability to communicate through the internet. The study found that about 1/3 of people communicate less with their parents, partners, children, and friends because they can simply follow them on social media. The University of Pittsburgh at Pennsylvania conducted a study that found that teenagers who use social media sites at a high rate are 3 times as likely to feel isolated. This could lead to antisocial behavior since isolated individuals may be more fearful of socialization and social interaction. Research has also shown that individuals who are less inclined toward social interactions are even less likely to make socialization efforts because of social media sites. Personally, I agree with the side of the debate that states that social media sites make us more social. While I can understand the concerns of some about social media sites, I do not think that overall social media makes individuals less social when they are used as intended by their creators. Argument 1 is more convincing to me because social media provides the opportunity for people living in isolated communities to speak with others and share their opinions and life stories. For individuals with limited mobility, social media can provide direct connection with individuals. Communication using different media types is possible. Social media sites fuel social diversity. With social media sites, people do not have to wait for physical meetups, therefore sociability is fostered across the community, and people are made more sociable from social media by its convenience. Thank you.